Scratch for the beginners. Scratch is an object-oriented programming interface that uses blocks as scripts. Although Scratch is designed for people totally new to programming, it can still be difficult to master and can be complicated. This tutorial is aimed at individuals completely new to all programming and looking to understand the concepts of Scratch.
Scratch offers two editors, an online one and an offline one. Both are very similar but have minor differences. The online editor can be accessed by clicking the Create tab on the website or by clicking here. The offline editor can be downloaded here.
Programming. Before getting more into the interface, the quickest way to understand how sprites are programmed in Scratch is by testing things out. Below when the Scratch program is opened with a clean new project. Access this area of the Scratch program. Select the blue block called Move Steps and drag it to the right. Release the mouse to place the block. Make sure the block is placed in the darker gray, technically called the scripts area. When done, click anywhere on the block except its white middle and watch what happens with the Scratch cut. It moves 10 steps. Check out the other block categories and test out what each one does. Blocks. As shown above, blocks are the building blocks of a Scratch program. They have respective commands which function uniquely from one another. Some blocks can even fit inside other blocks as shown below. Example, the following script or connection of blocks by accessing the various blocks by color and category. Assemble the blocks into this formation. Grab the blue case sensing block that is still in the void and place it into the hexagonal input area of the orange if block. Click the green flag to run the project and see what it does. Unless you were holding down the space key, nothing should have happened. Why is that? Take a look at the script again. Remember, a script fully connected chain stack of blocks. Sprites are like the characters of a project. Each sprite has its own blocks and they can communicate with each other using broadcasts. Each sprite can do its own job. For example, in a game where a dinosaur chases the Scratch cat, the dinosaur is programmed to chase the cat while the cat is controlled by the player. These two sprites do different things. With these buttons, a new sprite can be imported as either a plain image or one that already has scripts, the buttons going from bottom to top. Do the following. Selecting a sprite from the sprite library, opening the paint editor to draw a sprite, getting a surprise sprite, and uploading an image from the computer. Backdrops. The background of a project can also do a job as well. Backgrounds cannot move, but they can play music, send broadcasts, and much more. Like sprites, they also have a picture that can be edited using the paint editor.